Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here today. Wanted to talk a little bit about some of the new dry blasting equipment options that we have in 2024. You're gonna be able to see this stuff on the corporate site live now. We're gonna have all of the options so that you can price out what machine you need or what machine you want for your dry blasting needs. Those of you know, we have been pioneering wet blasting in the U.S. for 12 years now. We have made a huge mark in this industry, and we have really come a very long way with our product design and our cabinet designs over the last 12 years. One of the things that we've done is we've taken a lot of the technology and a lot of the application testing, and we are bringing it together now with dry blasting. We've had so many people asking for dry blasting when they have purchased a wet machine from us. So brand new, starting now in 2024, we're gonna be showing off these machines. One of the things I wanted to talk about in this video, one of the options you're gonna have when speccing a dry blasting cabinet, and that's gonna be a suction versus pressure type blasting machine. Some of that might be self-explanatory to you, some people it may not. The main difference is gonna be the abrasive impact or the forces that you're gonna get from one versus the other. So the most powerful blasting process is gonna be your pressure systems. Right behind us here is a 2000 sized cabinet set up with a reclaimer and a dust collector, and this is a pressure pot system. This thing is an animal. Depending on what abrasive you're gonna run in it, you're gonna get the most pressure, the most power using this machine versus a suction machine. However, suction machines are used very frequently through the industry for many different reasons. They do have both their pros and cons. Of course, with a pressure system, you're gonna be wearing stuff out much quicker. One of the things we've preached for years, how components in a wet cabinet last 8 to 10 times longer because of the water cushioning effects. With this machine, a pressure system is gonna wear some stuff out quickly. But again, you're gonna be able to blast parts very quickly. So if that's something you're looking to do, maybe you have a stubborn coating you're trying to remove, that's where pressure systems come in. If you need a suction system, those are normally more economical in a sense, not completely economical. I mean, there's cheap stuff out there in the world, but from a suction standpoint, it's a little bit more affordable than a pressure system. Little less maintenance, little less wear and tear on some of your parts, again, because you don't have that energy coming from a pressurized pot system pushing that abrasive. There are pros and cons. We're gonna start talking about that a little more in depth, but I wanted to share with you like 2 specific ways to set up a dry blasting machine. We're gonna be showing off the differences. We're gonna be trying to get some data compiled for you guys. I know everybody's looking for data, whether it's surface roughness or visual parts. We're gonna be doing some comparisons between these machines. Stay tuned for all of the other machines that we're gonna be showing off that are dry. Of course, also high pressure parts washing, and of course, automatic parts washing as well. Brand new for 2024. So hope you guys enjoy. If you have comments, put them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.